Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to upload your music on Hankad step by step. First, log in to your Hankad account. If you're new, just sign up to join the platform. Once you're in your dashboard, head to the top bar and click the Upload button. Then, select Create New Release. Now you're at the Add Tracks section. You can upload music directly from your computer or phone. Just click Upload, select your tracks, and remember, upload speed depends on your internet. Ensure your tracks are in WAV format, 44.1 kHz, 16 or 24-bit stereo. Once uploaded, click on each track to add metadata. Original title. You should always put in the exact and accurate title of your song here. Occasionally, our system might have trouble automatically detecting the language of your title, especially if it's less common or uses unique characters. If this happens, here's a simple workaround. Temporarily change the title to a common word in a widely recognized language, like love. Once the system successfully identifies a language, you can then switch the title back to your actual original track title. The system will now have the language setting correctly applied, and your original title will be saved. Primary artist. Select the main artist. If they're not listed, create a new artist name. Add any additional artists here too. Composer. Use full original names. Publishing house. Enter the artist, label, or actual publishing company. Genre. Choose the track's genre. Explicit content. Specify if the track is explicit. ISRC. Use your own ISRC or let the system generate one automatically. Ownership. Confirm you own the track. Track end date. If the license expires, enter the date. Previous release. Indicate if the track has been released before. Preview start time. Set the timestamp for social media previews. You can set it manually or let the system auto-pick. When you're done, go to the next step and confirm all the information is correct. In the tracklist section, place your best track at the top for a great first impression. You can also bundle your tracks if you want them to be bought together. This is optional. Then go to step 3. Split is optional. Here, you can set revenue percentages for each artist or contributor. If you don't need this, simply deactivate it and proceed to step 4. Most product info fields are auto-filled, but you'll add a few. Catalog number. This is your product's sequence number. For example, use Anaya 001, then Anaya 002, and so on. Artist name. You can type it manually or click Get Artists from Tracks to pull the data you already entered. Product format and language. These are automatically picked. Genre. Select the genre again. Barcode, UPC. Use yours or let Hankad generate one. Label. This is a crucial section. Think of your label as the main identity or umbrella under which all your music releases are distributed. The key is, you only need to create your label once on Hankad, as it will apply to all your current and future releases. If you're an independent artist or group, your artist name or group name will be your label name. If you operate as an actual record label, you'll simply use your official record label name. If you haven't created one yet, click Create New Label. Then, upload your logo or a picture, JPEG format, ideally 2400 by 2400 pixels, and enter your artist or label name. Once created, for all future uploads, you'll simply select your existing label from the options provided. Now let's move to step 5. For cover upload, follow these requirements. JPEG format, 3000 by 3000 pixels. Your artwork should be simple, clean, and professional. Ensure the song or album title and artist name are clear. Avoid unnecessary logos or produced by text. Once your artwork is uploaded, click Next to proceed to step 6. Here, you choose your release speed fast lane, where your music goes to stores within 7 days, or standard release, which takes 3 to 4 weeks and is ideal for pre-sales and planning. You can add a description for your product or skip it. Additionally, you can limit the countries or shops where your music will be released. When you're ready, click Go Next to reach the final step. This is the summary step. Review all the information carefully to prevent errors or rejections. Once everything looks good, click Release. That's it. Your music submission is complete. You can upload another product or return to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you can easily track streams and sales data. Check the status of your products and explore the Finance tab for detailed revenue information by platform, country, and more. Hankad simplifies global music distribution. Upload your music to platforms worldwide from anywhere with just a few clicks. Join Hankad today and take your music career or label to the next level.